6.11 Polyhedrons Part 1. Today's goal is to review three-dimensional shapes and identify bases of pyramids and prisms. On your whiteboard, can you name these 6 shapes? Pause the video now. Now, which of these shapes can roll? Can a pyramid roll, triangular prism, rectangular prism, cone, cylinder, sphere? Let's take a look. The pyramid really can't roll. This is a triangular prism. It can turn, but it can't really roll. Here's our rectangular prism. It can turn, but it can't roll. This is a cone. Now if we turn the cone on its side, it can roll. Here's a cylinder. It can roll also. And lastly, we have the sphere, and it definitely can roll. Which shape has a point or apex? The pyramid has a point right here on top, as does the cone. None of the other shapes have a point. Which shape has no flat faces? If you guess the sphere, you are correct. It has no flat faces at all. It's all curved lines. Which shape has all flat faces? The pyramid has all flat faces. The base is flat. All these sides are flat also. The rectangular prism is the same way. All the sides and the faces are flat. The same with the rectangular prism. All prisms and pyramids have flat surfaces. Which shape have both curved and flat faces? That would be the cone, has a flat base and curved sides, along with the cylinder, which also has curved sides but flat faces on either side. On page 112 and 113 of your student reference book, you will find more information on solids. Triangles, quadrangles, circles are flat shapes. They take up a certain amount of area, but they do not take up space. They are flat, two-dimensional figures. We can draw the figures on a sheet of paper. Solid objects take up space are such things as boxes, books, and chairs. They are three-dimensional objects. Some solids, such as rocks and animals, do not have regular shapes. Other solids have shapes that are easy to describe using geometric words. The surfaces on the outside of a solid may be flat or curved or both. A flat surface of a solid is called a face. A cube has 6 faces. And it's showing you a box which is shaped like a cube. And you can see the faces here. A cylinder has two faces and one curved surface. So here's your curved and here's your faces. A tabletop is a short cylinder with large faces. The center pole is a tall cylinder with small faces. A cone has one face and one curved surface. Here's your face and here's your curved surface. This ice cream cone is a good model of a cone. Today you will be constructing a square pyramid and a triangular prism. You will cut out these on page 194 and page 195 handout. The directions say cut on the dashed lines, fold on the dotted lines, tape or glue each tab inside or outside the pyramid. Same for this other triangular prism. Cut on the dashed lines, fold on the dotted lines, tape or glue each tab inside or outside the prism. This is how your cut square pyramid and triangular prism will look. Here's the tabs that you will fold and tape or glue. You fold here, 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 because your base of your pyramid is square. Here's your tabs on your triangular prism. You fold here, 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 and here, and of course the tab is there to fold that as well. Your completed square pyramid and rectangular prism should look something like this. As you can see, I used tape on mine. Pyramids and prisms that have flat faces shaped like polygons are called polyhedrons, from the Greek word poly, meaning many, and the hydra, meaning faces. As you can see, these are flat surfaces with polygon faces. Here's a triangle, here's a hexagon face, here's a square face.